Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about secrets as something that had my attention for days. And I'm going to share all of my research about this topic, but let me start with this little game. Imagine you and I, my dear viewer, we can know what other people think. And especially we can know what are people thinking about us in certain situations. This in a way might clarify a lot of situations, a lot of things. We can know if this person is really honest with us about their feelings or about the things they say. We can also know if this person is going to accept us in a certain job or not. Think that also people can see what we are thinking. Secrets are a part of a human being or a part of human nature. At the Columbia University, they've made this study. They had 100 people and they were asking them if they have secrets or what kind of secrets they have. 97% of people have secrets according to this study. And I'm sure as you are watching now, you are thinking about a certain secret that you have or something that you are hiding from people. More importantly, they have found that the most common secrets are secrets that are related with sexual behaviors, emotional infidelities, romantic thoughts about someone, even if it is not your partner. We tend to hide secrets because of the risks that come with telling something. And the first thing is, if you confide to someone, they might pass this secret or they might tell this thing to other people. And the second thing is the feeling of shame. We usually feel ashamed about things that are in some way moral behaviors. And we tend to show to the society very moral way of thinking and of behaving. And we don't want to show things that make us different from other people. And the third thing is that we won't get support and we will be judged if we say something about us that we keep from other people. There's the opposite side, is why we tend to tell our secrets, why we choose to tell something that we kept for years, for example. We always say these things and share it with people that are close to us. When we feel the trust and we feel the comfort around someone, we tend to tell them things about us that nobody knows. This is what makes relationship strong. If you tell someone a special thing about yourself that no one knows, you would actually feel so special to this person and you would build a strong knowledge about this person. The second thing is to feel the relief of taking off a burden. When we share something, we tend to feel more comfortable when we share it with another person because we won't have this burden of feeling kind of different or distant from others. There's a thought that came to my mind days ago when I found out that a close person to me went through a difficult event but didn't tell me about it till days ago. This affected me in multiple ways and I thought like maybe I'm not trusted. Then I spent days thinking about that and I told myself this can't be the reason, because sometimes people would hide things without any intention to harm the other person. Sometimes people hide things because they don't have what it takes to tell or to talk about this experience. Sometimes what gets us to be that way is the childhood trauma, when we tend to tell secrets to our parents or anyone that is responsible about us, receive punishment. People always stay with this mindset, if I tell something that doesn't go with the receiver, I might be punished or I might be left or I might be judged. This fear kind of stay from the childhood to an unknown time, especially if it is in our unconscious mind and we don't face it, we wouldn't know that we have this fear from punishment. And then I said to myself, like, this person might have a reason and I don't have to just know the exact reason. I only need to comfort that person. Some things are really difficult to say. Some experiences are difficult to say because they bring the trauma of that same incident. And I hope you do the same. On the other hand, sharing a secret brings benefits to both the confidant and the teller. It builds strong relationship, it links people, and in a way it brings some common points between you and the person you confide to. It also brings honesty and transparency, and it let you receive the support that you need to cope with all of these things that you hide. And to conclude, I just want to that you read this paragraph. It might help you to understand all of that, because I know a lot of people, we go through this experience of secrets, whether we hide it or whether we receive it from another person. And as people, I think we ought to do some kind of effort to understand ourselves and others. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. And that's it. See you next time with another thought.